cookies, and I will make two different kind of cookies, coconut cookies and a cashew cookies. So first of all we have to make the dough. So for that, here I have 1 cup of butter. These are 2 sticks, and then this makes 1 cup of butter. So we are going to whisk this first. So here I have my hand blender, so I'm going to use this hand mixture. And if you guys don't have, you guys can use a spoon, or if you guys have a whisk, so it doesn't matter. Maybe it will take a little bit more time, but you can do with anything. So I have this, so I'm just going to use this. So basically you have to whisk this until it becomes really smooth, so it will take like 2-3 minutes. Okay, so this is done, and now we're going to add 1 cup of sugar, and this is a powder sugar. If you guys don't have, you can grind the sugar and then make it powder and just add it. So now we are going to mix this. So I mixed it with the spoon first, and now I'm going to use my mixture. Okay, so this is done now. It's now looking very smooth, so that's what we want. And I whisked this for at least 3 to 4 minutes. So now it's good, and now I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And just mix it. And now I'm going to mix this again for at least 3 to 4 minutes until it just becomes a very soft dough. So the dough is ready now. It's very smooth, as you can see. And now what am I going to do? I will just divide this into half. So I will take half and put this in the separate bowl. And now what I'm going to do in this one, I'll show you guys. So here I have cashew powder. Actually I took a half cup of cashews, and I grind them. So here I have powder which I'm going to add into the dough, and here I have some crushed one, so which we will use later. So right now, so now I'm going to add this powder. So I'm adding this cashew powder and just mix it well. Okay, so this cashew dough is ready, and now I'm just going to put this on the side, and then we will prepare the other one. So here we have the other part of the dough, and so here I have 1/4, it's not 1/4, it's less than 1/4 cup desiccated coconut. It's coconut powder kind of, and I'm going to add this slowly and just mix it. Okay, so this one is also ready. So now we are going to roll our dough. So here is our cashew dough, and now just going to roll this. Okay, so this is ready. Now we are going to cut the cookies. So now you can give any shape you want, round or you want square, any kind of you want. So after the giving shape, any kind of shape you want, so here I have crushed cashews. So what we're going to do, just dip this and put some the cookies, and that's it. That's what we'll do with all the cookies. So these all cookies are ready to bake now, and what I'm going to do this time, I'll show you. If you guys don't have oven, so you can bake on the stove very easily. So here I have a small tray, and I already greased this parchment paper. I'm going to put some cookies on this, and I'll show you guys how to bake on stove. Okay, for stove baking, here I have a pan. I already turned on the stove. I'm going to add some salt. Stir it, and then here I have one ring. If you guys have anything this kind of, just can stand in there. like this, just put there. And now we're going to put our cookies in there. And now just cover this for 15 to 20 minutes and then we will check. Okay, so now we will make our coconut cookies. Till our cashew cookies are baking, we can get this done. Okay, so it's ready. Now I'm going to cut. Okay, so I already gave the shape to this, and now here we have coconut. I'm just going to put some coconut on the top, and that's how we will make all of them. Okay, so it's been half an hour and now checking these cookies, and they're looking so good. You can see they're golden brown. So it took half an hour, 30 minutes, and they're looking so good. So see, it's not that hard to bake on the stove too. It's very easy. If you guys don't have oven, no worries, just bake on the stove, very easy. So we'll take these out. Okay guys, so all the cookies are baked and the result is very good. These are cashew cookies and these ones are coconut cookies. So I'll show you one. So these are very crispy, crunchy from inside, so you guys should definitely try and let me know how they turned out for you guys. So we are going to enjoy our cookies now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, see you guys, take care, bye.